And it was a wet weekend. I mean, we had storms moving through late last night. We're not kind of quite over this yet.
Right. Yeah, and unfortunately, we're already watching some more thunderstorms on the radar as of right now. And well, we don't necessarily need any rainfall, but hey, we're getting some. Just a couple spotty showers are moving through Dallas and Tarrant County, and it's providing us with some gustier conditions as well. In fact, I'm tracking a gust front, which is that dark green line that you can see stretching from Dallas, and it moves all the way over into Fort Worth. If you're walking out the door and you're in that vicinity as of right now, you can definitely feel those winds as you head out the door. They're probably around 30 miles per hour. Now, a couple isolated cells starting to spark up as well near Arlington, as well as towards the I-35 West corridor and I-30. Be careful if you're headed out and about in the next few minutes, as well as in the next hour or so. As I take you over towards Hunt County and into Collin County, a couple thunderstorms moving across the vicinity as well. That stretches all the way up to the north towards Honey Grove and into Cooper. Those are moving to the south and to the east over to Van Zandt County. A rogue thunderstorm to the south of Canton is moving towards the Brownsboro area and could see some thunderstorms along the I-20 corridor. So we're continuing to monitor more showers and more storms across the vicinity. I'm already watching for the potential for isolated instances of flooding because we saw a lot of rain in the past 24 to 48 hours. In fact, you could see around 1.97 inches of rain fell in DFW just yesterday. So that's a lot of rainfall here across the Metroplex, and that actually allowed us to get above average for the month of August. We got 4.89 inches this past month, I should say. We're in September now. 2.18 inches of rainfall is that typical amount that we typically get in the month of August. So a lot of rain is what we've seen. We'll start to see things dissipate as we head into the rest of the evening tonight. Mostly clear skies will be expected. Radiational cooling, so it will be cooler tomorrow morning, and that could lead to some foggy conditions. So just a heads up as you take the kids to school or you go to work tomorrow morning. Now, tomorrow afternoon, I'm tracking a cold front that'll pass through. Could pop up a few thunderstorms in the afternoon, but generally speaking, most of us will stay dry and cooler air will settle into the forecast and drier air as well. It's not going to be any substantial amount, but we will see those temperatures in the lower 90s and upper 80s as we move into the next upcoming days. We're looking at that chance for some rain moving into the day tomorrow, but notice Wednesday and Thursday clear things up. But I'm tracking our next big weather maker that moves into this next weekend. We're talking about a frontal system and the potential for some Pacific moisture to move into the area, creating some downpours. Let's talk temperatures, though. We've seen in the month of August 16 below average days. 11 of those days were above average. This summer, we wrapped up with 6 triple-digit days. The typical amount we typically see during this season is around 20 triple-digit days. So if you're asking me, I think we ended meteorological summer on the nice side of the aisle. Happy first day of meteorological autumn or meteorological fall. It'll be a nice rest of your Labor Day. We will see those conditions clear out by later on tonight, and temperatures dipping back down into the lower 80s. Tomorrow, 90 degrees and a 20% chance for some rainfall. Guys.